how to download reels from Facebook. Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I am going to show you how you can download reels from Facebook. So before get started, if you new here, please consider to subscribe my channel and like the video. So first open a Facebook reels and then on the bottom right corner you will see a copy link option. Just copy the link. For that, go to your browser. So I am going to open Google Chrome. You can use any browser. After that, go to search and then here search for Facebook Reels downloader and click on the first link. Now paste the link. Now on the right side, click on download. And here you will see 3 different versions. You can download HD or full HD. So let's click on download. And then now on the top here you will see the download is started. You can see details and it's downloaded. Now you can open the reels.
Coming up like.
And there you go, and that's how you can download reels from Facebook. Hope that this video helped you out. If you found this helpful, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.